Most people assume buying a real Great Loop tug means spending $2, $3, sometimes even $400,000, but that's simply not true. Right now, there are capable, diesel-powered tugboats sitting on the market for under $120,000, and some come from brands Great Loop veterans trust the most. We searched current listings and picked 5 of the best available today, and the boat at number 1, it might be the smartest Great Loop buy on the entire market for the money. Let's get started. Kicking things off is a boat that honestly surprised me. At first glance, she reads like a classic, old-school trawler, heavy, traditional lines, nothing flashy. But spend a few minutes going through what's actually been done to her, and you realize somebody already did the hard work of turning her into a serious, long-distance cruiser. Number 5. 1989 Transpacific Marine Eagle Pilothouse, $79,500, 32 feet, out of Lock Connor, Washington. This is the kind of boat you could buy today, provision tomorrow, and start planning your Great Loop departure next week. Under the hood is a Ford Lehman diesel, an engine that's earned near-legendary status among trawler owners simply because it refuses to quit. Parts are everywhere. Every diesel mechanic on the coast knows how to work on one, and she sips fuel doing it, cruising at 8 knots on about 1.5 gallons an hour. That's the kind of number that lets you actually relax about fuel costs instead of doing math in your head every time you throttle up. The previous owners have already spent the money, so you don't have to. Solar panels, Starlink, a brand new diesel furnace, even a sailing dinghy on davits are all included, which easily saves a buyer several $1,000s before ever leaving the dock. Down below, the high-gloss teak interior looks more like a boat twice this price, with a real separate head and shower, a galley that's genuinely equipped to cook full meals, and a V-berth with an actual door for privacy. Something a lot of retired couples specifically look for when they're planning to live aboard for months at a time. She is a heavier, more traditional hull than some of the tugs coming up on this list, so she won't spin on a dime in a tight marina without leaning on that stern thruster. But if you're picturing yourself easing into a slip in Charleston or watching the sun go down somewhere in the Bahamas without a maintenance list hanging over your head, this is about as close to turnkey as it gets. And as solid as this one is, the next boat brings something almost no one expects at this price, a livable tug that's already proven itself through an entire winter aboard. Number 4. 2008 Ranger 2510 Bay Ranger, $59,500, listed in Bellingham, Washington. Picture this. Instead of shoveling snow every winter, you're untying the lines and heading south, and this boat already knows how to do exactly that. The current owners didn't just own her, they lived on her, trailering down to California and spending a full winter aboard before bringing her back home. That's not a boat that looks good in photos, that's a boat that's been tested in real life by real people in real conditions. She runs a Yanmar diesel with just over 2,600 hours, light enough for her age that you're not walking into a boat on the edge of a major overhaul. What really sets her apart, though, is that she's got both bow and stern thrusters, meaning docking solo, something a lot of retired couples worry about more than almost anything else, becomes almost stress-free. At under $60,000, this boat costs less than plenty of pickup trucks rolling down the highway right now, and yet she comes with solar panels already wired in, a diesel cooktop and cabin heater combo, and her own custom trailer with electric brakes, opening up trailering options a lot of buyers never even consider. One honest note, she runs a composting head instead of a traditional holding tank setup. For some loopers, that's actually a dream feature since there's no hunting down a pump-out station along the route. For others, it just takes a little getting used to. Either way, the people who lived aboard her all winter clearly had no complaints. If you're enjoying this countdown and love discovering affordable boats like these, hit the like button and subscribe to Boat Hunter. We feature real boats that are actually available for sale, helping you find the best deals before they're gone. Now, as good a value as that Ranger is, the next boat carries a name that Great Loop veterans practically whisper with respect. And once you see what she offers, you'll understand why. Number 3, 1982 Nordic Tug 26, $84,900, out of Red Wing, Minnesota. If you've spent any time around the Loop community, you already know that a boat wearing the Nordic Tug name comes with a reputation most builders spend decades trying to earn. These boats were designed from day one to be small, seaworthy, and genuinely capable of putting real miles behind you without draining your bank account at the fuel dock. Her Lehman Puego diesel only makes 61 horsepower, and that's exactly the point. This isn't a boat built for speed. It's built for the kind of steady, efficient cruising that lets you wake up in a new anchorage every few days without watching the fuel gauge nervously. Step inside, and the teak joinery, the real V-berth with an actual double bed, and the separate enclosed head with a shower tell you this is a boat meant to be lived in, not just weekended on. Imagine spending a slow month working your way down the 10-tom, coffee in hand at the helm every morning, with a boat this dialed in doing the heavy lifting. She does carry a bit more on the engine hour meter than some boats on this list, sitting around 3,400, so a survey is money well spent here. But that's exactly why she's priced where she is, and for buyers who want the Nordic Tug badge and real Liveaboard comfort without paying Nordic Tug 32 money, that's a trade worth making. Up next, though, we've got a boat with barely any engine hours at all, practically new by comparison, and she might just be the smartest buy on this entire list. Number 2, 2008 Ranger Tug R25, $89,900 out of Denison, Texas. Here's a number that should stop you in your tracks. Just 700 hours on her Yanmar diesel. For a boat built back in 2008, that's astonishingly light use, and it tells you everything about how carefully she's been cared for. A brand new Ranger Tug of similar size can easily run several $100,000 today, which makes finding one this well-maintained for under $90,000 a genuinely rare opportunity. She's got a bow thruster, a full Garmin electronics package, and reverse cycle heat and air. So whether you're chasing warm weather south or riding out a cool snap up north, she keeps you comfortable either way. At 25 feet, she is the most compact boat on this list, which means life aboard leans more minimalist. But for a couple who wants to do the entire loop without the cost and complexity that comes with a bigger boat, low hours, and a trusted diesel go a long way toward peace of mind. This is the kind of boat where you're not budgeting for a big engine job anytime soon, and that alone is worth paying attention to. But as strong as this Ranger is, the next boat is the one we've been building toward all video. A full Pilothouse cruiser that might be the single best Great Loop tug on the market under 6 figures. Number 1, 1999 Nordic Tug 32, $115,000. Docked in Burlington, Vermont. This is where the countdown ends, and honestly, it's hard not to save the best for last. Picture spending months aboard without ever feeling cramped. 2 separate air conditioning zones, a full galley with a propane stove and oven, a real shower stall, and a 200-gallon fuel tank that lets you go days between fill-ups without a second thought. Her Cummins diesel puts out 220 horsepower. And worth mentioning, this is actually the second engine in the boat, with the original swapped out early at just 500 hours, meaning the vast majority of this boat's life has been spent on the engine currently powering her. She'll cruise comfortably at 7 knots or push up to 14 when you want to cover ground quickly, giving owners real flexibility depending on the day's plans. This is a true full-keel Pilothouse cruiser, the kind of stable, confidence-inspiring platform that makes rougher water on the loop feel like a non-issue. At $115,000, she does sit right at the edge of what we're covering today, but stack her up against what a comparable boat with this much space and this much system redundancy would cost brand new, and the value becomes obvious fast. For a retired couple planning to spend the whole season, or even the whole year, living aboard and chasing warm water instead of cold winters, this is the boat that asks the fewest compromises of anyone on this list. So there you have it, 5 real, honest, currently listed tugboats, all under $120,000, proving that you don't need to spend a fortune to own a boat capable of taking on America's Great Loop. Whether you're drawn to the turnkey comfort of the Transpacific Eagle, the proven liveaboard toughness of the Ranger 2510, the classic pedigree of the Nordic Tug 26, the low-hours efficiency of the Ranger Tug R25, or the full-featured comfort of the Nordic Tug 32, there's a real path into this lifestyle at almost every budget. Which one would you choose? Let us know down in the comments. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more affordable boats currently for sale. Thanks for watching Boat Hunter, and we'll see you in the next one.